Namaste and Khuble everyone. I am Sakshi Deolwar from Ferguson College. I am here to share with you all my experience of visiting this beautiful northeastern state of Meghalaya. I got this opportunity through this amazing initiative of Jnana Setu, wherein I visited Meghalaya in 2019. Before visiting Meghalaya, the only thing that I knew about Meghalaya was Cherrapunji and Mawsynram, and a bit about that it is called Scotland of the East. But I got to know why is it called the Scotland of the East after visiting this beautiful state. We were a group of about 10 people and it took us about 4 days to reach Meghalaya. But let me assure you that this long and tiresome journey was totally worth it, because Meghalaya definitely did not fail to amaze us. There were many ways in which Meghalaya amazed us, but some of the things which I would explicitly like to mention are the beautiful nature and the beautiful weather of Meghalaya. It is totally healing and relieving. I remember walking through the village roads in the evening at about 5 to 6 p.m. and there was fog everywhere on the road. It felt like we were walking through the clouds, and this was definitely a mesmerizing experience. The next is the rich and vibrant culture that this state offers. And the most important thing is the welcoming and the most affectionate people that you get to connect with in Meghalaya. I remember we were there for about 7 days and we stayed at a local's house. Not for a single time I felt like we were staying at some unknown person's house, because these people were so welcoming and so affectionate that I felt like we were staying at the place of an extended family member. Same was the case with our students. They were so eager to learn. We went there to teach science to those kids, but I feel our motive was not to make them some kind of expert in science, but to build the scientific temperament in them, which I guess is necessary in every walk of life. To build the socio-educational bridge with them, and to connect with them, and to solve the information gap which they might be facing. The experiments designed by Jnana Setu were very well scripted and very well designed, which made the students interact with us and they enjoyed these sessions. I remember we taught them experiments. They used to tell them about their culture. We told them about our culture in Maharashtra. We used to sing songs in Marathi, and they used to sing songs in Khasi language. So it was a beautiful cultural exchange experience, and it was a beautiful experience for all the volunteers who went there. I would like to mention that some of the students are still connected with us. With some members of our group, they still message them and still ask their questions, and it is definitely, I feel that this is one of the most beautiful thing that this initiative of Jnana Setu offers, a connect between people of Maharashtra and Meghalaya. My stay in Meghalaya was about 7 days, and there were many beautiful experiences in those 7 days. We got to visit many beautiful places like Double Decker Route Bridge, Dauki, which has India's cleanest river, Umangot River, Mawlin Long, which is India's cleanest village, and many other places in Shillong. We also got to interact with the then governor of Meghalaya, Shri Tathagat Roy sir, and he enlightened us on several socio-economic aspects of the state. We also were told about the matrilineal system, but let me tell you friends that some of the things which I mentioned in this short video can only be known and learned when we experience them and when we visit these states. I would like to thank all the administrative officers who were so kind and so very helpful when we visited Meghalaya. This opportunity and this visit of Meghalaya was a lifetime experience for me, wherein I got to know the true meaning of Atulya Bharat. I got to know the similarities that we as human beings have. I got to know that there are no such differences. We are all Indians, and also I will urge all the participants to I will urge all of you to participate in this amazing initiative of Jnanasetu and visit any of the states in India, and visit any of the states at least once in your lifetime. Thank you.